Windows 10 is arguably the most efficiently coded operating system from Microsoft, but it also contains a vast number of features which require large amount of system resources. On the plus side, the latest iteration of Windows also has some extremely useful built-in features to improve overall efficiency. If you have found that your computer performance has slowed down, you are at the right place. In this video, I will explore 5 of the best ways that you can speed up your Windows 10 today. And before getting started, subscribe to iSpecs for more daily informative tech videos. Microsoft continually releases updates for Windows 10 which are designed to fix common bugs that reduce system performance. Some of these are fairly minor, whereas others make significant changes to your system. If machine performance is lagging, open the search option and type update in the search bar and click check for updates to access your settings. If a major update is available, then make sure to save and backup your personal data before continuing. Your PC may need to restart several times to apply all available updates. If it's been a while since your last update, make sure to click check for updates again after restarting to make sure no more updates are available. Disk Cleanup is an extraordinarily built-in Windows utility. You can use it to clear out temporary files which accumulate on your machine, such as image thumbnails, downloaded program files and offline web pages. Click the search option and type Disk Cleanup in the search bar to get started. The utility will offer you a choice of files to remove. Simply mark the checkbox next to each option. Click OK to begin. Disk Cleanup will calculate the amount of space you will save. This is also a good opportunity to delete any files on your hard drive which you no longer need. PCs can become bogged down by the sheer number of running processes. This is often because many installers will insert Windows to run their programs immediately after you log in, slowing down system speed. To check your startup programs, open Task Manager, then click the Startup tab. Pay close attention to the startup impact values for each programs. Example, High has this is a good way to spot apps that are likely to slow down your PC. To prevent a program from launching or logging, just right click and choose Disable. Many PC vendors ship their machines with bundled third-party softwares, which due to its large size and unnecessary nature is sometimes referred as a bloatware. Many computer users also install software from a specific purpose and never use it again. Redundant programs take up space on your hard drive and can reduce performance. To check your installed apps, go to Control Panel, Programs and Features, uninstall a program. Right-click on any program you no longer need and select Uninstall. Windows 10 will ask for permission to make changes to your system. Click Yes to continue. Many users keep their machines running for a week at a time. Windows 10 will automatically put the display to sleep, but any processes which have previously been started will continue. This can accumulate over time and slow down your computer. You can fix this issue by shutting down your PC each day once you have finished using it. Make sure to close any running program and save your work before you do so. That's all for this video. Hope you found this video useful and end up liking it. If you do, like and share this video, and while you're down there, click on the subscribe button and turn on notification for daily informative tech videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Until next time, you have been watching iSpecs. It's time now to say you goodbye. Have a great day.